evening, everyone. I'm going to do a little demonstration here of different junk boxes using the Wall of Sound pedal, and I've got 5 different junk boxes up here. I'm going to start up top with Junkbox Junior, then I'm going to go to the Filthy Banshee, then the Rebel Robot, Grunge Demon, and then the Sludge Mule. So we'll get started first with the Junkbox Junior. This will give you kind of an idea of the volume and the tone of each of them. I've got all these cranked at maximum volume, and at the end I'll play all 5 of these together. So here's the Junkbox Junior. Now here's the Filthy Banshee. Now we're going to do the Rebel Robot here. This one's a little bit noisy when you first start up. Now we're going to do the Grunge Demon. Now finally, we're going to do the Sludge Mule.